Today, I'm going to show you how to hide adverts in Outlook email. If you're tired of seeing advertisements cluttering your inbox while you're trying to work, this guide will walk you through the solution. Let's get started. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook web app. Once you're on the login page, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign into your account. This will load in all your emails and give you access to your inbox. Make sure everything loads properly before moving to the next step. Once your email has fully loaded, navigate to your inbox pane. This is where you'll typically see those advertisements scattered among your messages. Now, here's the thing you need to know up front. If you're hoping for a quick toggle or setting to just turn off these ads, unfortunately, Microsoft doesn't offer that option in the free version of Outlook. The only reliable way to completely remove advertisements from your Microsoft Outlook 365 web app is by upgrading to a premium subscription. To do this, open a new browser tab in your browser. In the address bar, type account.microsoft.com/services and press Enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Account Services page where you can manage your subscriptions and account settings. Once you're on that page, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Enter your email and password to proceed. After signing in, you'll be presented with various subscription options and services tied to your account. From here, look for the Microsoft 365 subscription plans. These plans are designed to offer an ad-free experience across Microsoft's suite of apps, including Outlook. Browse through the available plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. Microsoft typically offers different tiers, such as personal or family plans, so pick whichever suits your situation. Once you've selected a plan, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. You'll need to enter your payment details and confirm the subscription. After the transaction is processed, your account will be upgraded to Microsoft 365 Premium. Now head back to your Outlook web app and refresh the page. With your new subscription active, all advertisements inside your Microsoft Outlook 365 web app will be removed. Your inbox will be clean and ad-free, allowing you to focus entirely on your emails without any distractions. And that's it. You've successfully hidden adverts in Outlook by upgrading to a premium subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.